Hello, I'm Mark Birchall from restaurant Moor Hall in Lancashire. I'm going to cook for you some honey roast Sladesdown duck with some girolles, sweet corn and yellow beans cooked in a marigold butter. On the side we've got a little ragout of all the offal with some sugar and whey and a little torched sweet corn and a liver and truffled honey. So these are the ducks we use. It's a 100% Peking breed. They're absolutely beautiful. A nice, really good meat to carcass ratio. The fat is just right. We've aged it for 3 weeks. 1 week hanging with the legs on. After a week we take the legs off because they don't need to dry out quite as much. Then we put some hay inside them to keep them nice and dry and also give it that nice little toasted flavour on the duck. So I'm just scoring through the duck with this razor blade just to help the fat render out from the skin. We just go just through the fat. It's quite a nice little therapeutic job. Okay, so we use the paint strip of the heat gun to render some of the fat out of the breast, out of the crown should I say. We're not really trying to colour the duck, we're just trying to get the fat out of there and allow it to crisp up nicely when it's roasting. So I'm just going to dry some of the fat off, just a little bit of paper towel just to remove a little bit of that. And I'm just going to give it a little chill on the ice. You could go directly in the oven, but we chill it down, then we cook it later. It was too much of a lengthy process to do it a la minute. So that's the duck ready to go in the oven. We're going to put it in at 170, usually takes 12 to 14 minutes, but we'll check it after 12. So the duck should be ready, just need to check that. So that's the duck roasted, and then we're just going to let it rest up for around 40 minutes. So we're going to take the duck breast off the crown. I carve that off. So we trim all the sinew away from the duck. So we just crisp the breast up a little bit more on the plancha, tiny bit of oil. We're just going to try and render a touch more fat out of it and just get that little bit of colour just on there. But I'm not too concerned with getting loads of colour on the breast, it's more about rendering the fat and getting it nice and crispy. We've got some of our honey from our own hives. So with the honey roast Sladesdown duck, we've got some girolles, some fresh girolles which are foraged from Moor, some of our yellow beans from the garden, and we cook them down with the marigold butter. Little grilled leeks. On the side we've got a choux curry made with some charred sweet corn, all the offal from the bird, a little salsa verde, and a foam, a little frothy sauce made from whey. So we're going to start the plating with a sweet corn puree. I'm going to cover that over with the sweet corn powder. I'm going to place the girolles and the yellow beans and the broad beans on the plate. With the grilled leek. Place some of the herbs and leaves from the garden over the garnish with some marigold flowers. Carve the duck. And then finish it with a sauce. So the dish is honey roast Sladesdown duck with girolles, sweet corn and beans, ragout and whey, liver and truffled honey. Hope you like the duck dish I just did. Please like and subscribe and click here if you want to see the full interview.